Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with another daily update on Dogelon Mars. In-depth technical analysis. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. As you can see, we have a lot of them, a bunch of them. There's so much knowledge packed into these videos. If you are trying to become financially free, subscribe. It's free because these are updates that will make you some gosh darn money. Alright, let's get into the charts. But before we get started, go and check out the first link in the description. These are all of the fellow members in the page or in the course. Let me go ahead and give you a brief update. This is sponsored by the course, Beginner's Guide to Stocking Crypto Investing. If you are wanting to learn and invest in yourself on how the heck to make consistent profits in this market, I still don't really. There we go. Then get this course. It's the first link in the description. Okay. We have a few videos here. I will be adding to it consistently in the future. But these videos, the introduction, the emotions in trading, the understanding candlesticks, how to identify support and resistance, how to identify your take profit level, and fundamental analysis. These videos will get you on the right track in order to know when to get in and when to get out, how much to get in with, and how much to pull out at the right moments in time. With technical analysis, you can see the exact levels that you need to exit your trades and the exact levels that you need to enter your trades, along with your stock or your stop losses, so your risk is protected, and your take profit, so you can consistently make money. And these 2, 4, 6 videos go extremely in depth into it. They're about an hour long, so go ahead and check out the first link in the description, and I will be adding to this into the future based on the comments that you guys provide in these videos. Let's get into the markets. The market cap is at 2.28 trillion. All right. Bitcoin is at 61,000. Ethereum's at 3,423. And Dogelon Mars is at $85 million market cap. This is damn low if we've ever seen it. But think about this for a second. How many of these shit coins, meme coins if you want to call them that, are at an $85 million market cap at its all-time low? Think about that. That's a lot of money. $85 million of people, mainly holders, mainly investors into this coin, are still holding at this level. $85 million worth of money, of energy, of people investing into this coin, believe that this thing will continue to skyrocket. Now, as you guys know, I will be getting into the technicals very soon. However, as you guys know, this is all tied to Bitcoin, because as Bitcoin moves up, everything under it moves up. You know, a rising tide floats all boats, as they say. So, if we can see Bitcoin hit 100K soon, which I do believe it will be happening in the next 1 to 2 years, then we will see Dogelon Mars have a huge spike and break these all-time highs at the $21.74 levels with 5 zeros. Crazy, huh? Alright, for all you day traders, let's get into the technical analysis. Now, this is the type of stuff that I'll be going over in the course in depth, so you guys can know it second nature. Look at these charts and know exactly what you're looking at. Right now, we're looking at the 4 hourly candles. That means each candle is 4 hours. So, as we zoom in, we can see that in the past few months, we have reached a nice little pump here to the 0.4 levels, and then a huge dump all the way down to the 0.15 levels. Okay, now that's horrible, right? If you guys got in around here or here, this is you'd be down a little bit, but think about it long term. All right, we're gonna zoom out to the 1 year. Give her some time, give her some time. There we go. As we can see, we haven't had much. This was the biggest pump we've had in the last year, which is expected because the new cycle has not started with Bitcoin. We saw a little pump. That's what this little pump was with Bitcoin. Moved up to around those $70,000 levels. We got a nice little pump here, all right? But this moves up to 100K. Then this thing, if Bitcoin moves up to $100,000, let's go ahead and look at Dogelon Mars. Give it a comparison. Right here is around 70,000, right? Back in the day, I think we're gonna have to go to this chart. It was all the way up to 0.21. Right? That's insane. That's the highest it's ever been. So what are we going to need in order for this to pump up to this much in the future? We are going to need Bitcoin to pump, make a bunch of people rich. Then the media comes out, attracts all the new retail investors. Although this was so new at the time, there are doubts. We got to look at the bearish case as well. There are doubts that that sentiment that we had in the beginning, the hype, will not return. In my personal opinion, I do believe the best coins will survive. And I do believe that Dogelon Mars is that third biggest coin on the market. Biggest meme coin. Remember back in the day, if you guys have been watching for a while, we had Dogecoin. After Dogecoin hit, gosh darn, $17 billion market cap, we had Shiba Inu. Their logo was the Dogecoin killer. They came up around, past Dogecoin, hit around a $24 billion market cap at one point, and now they are back down to 10 million. I do so believe that Dogelon Mars will be the third coin that reaches up into these billion-dollar levels, right? Now, we have seen a few coins before it that has kind of reached their full potential, but not so much, like Pepe. We've seen that move a couple 100% in the past couple months. Past year and a half. It's at a $4.8 billion market cap. If you guys are in the Patreon, and you would see I'd be calling these type of coins out all the time. And we have seen other stuff as well. But check out the Patreon. Second link in description. Dogelon Mars. If you guys are here to know what the hell am I doing, like I've been holding this for a year. And it's down. Like, I'm down 60% plus. What do I do right now? If that's you and you're thinking about what to do right now, the best thing I can tell you is to invest into yourself. Invest into knowledge. Personally, as crypto has been dipping, the actual stock market has been moving to all-time highs, right? Once that starts dipping, we're going to see some more money move into the crypto, but that's besides the point. So meanwhile, why I haven't been posting for so long, because I don't really need to. I mean, buy and hold at this point. I have been making bank in the stock market using options and buying shares into stocks that I have that I know will go up or down using technical analysis. That's what I've been doing, just waiting for the next crypto bull run, right? working from home, making money, living a happy life. And I wish that all unto you guys as well. Because truly, anybody with the desire and the discipline to step back and realize that they can learn a lot more can make it in these markets. It doesn't matter your past. It doesn't matter what you've been through. Anybody can do this. It's just about thinking different, following your gut, following technical analysis, and proven profitable trading strategies. So, at this point, Dogelon Mars, buy and hold, baby. Buy and freaking hold. Eventually, if you guys are into this point, buying, like, just keep holding, okay? You can average in if you want to, right? My best advice is to invest in yourself and start trading stock options, okay? Spend $1,000, get the course in the description. It's the first link. It will teach you absolutely everything you need to know about technical analysis, trading stock options, so that whenever this market is dipping, you do not have to wait a year and a half to make money. You can just go to the regular old stock market and make 20+% in a day. This last Friday, I closed out my trade with 40%. Okay? Now, it's all up to you about what your risk levels are. But once you know what you're doing, you can put money behind your trades. And this can make you so much percentage. And over time, that compound interest will build you a bank account bigger than what you ever thought has been possible in your lifetime. But the key is to start small. Now, $1,000 is perfect. It will teach you everything you need to know. $1,000 more will get you into the market and start making money, supplementary income, every single week, just using these strategies. And once you do that, your account over time will start to compound, and you will have more money than you know what to do with. And at that point, you need to withdraw some. Okay, take it from me. Once you have more money than you've ever seen in your lifetime in your trading account, you have to withdraw some so that you can move back down to your comfort zone and slowly grow it over time. Because if you don't, you will end up getting greedy, you will lose sight of the true value of money, and you will lose what you have spent time building. And that is the first rule of investing is to preserve your capital. Okay? You want to take the trades with as minimal risk as possible. Now, Dogelon Mars, let's look at it. What's the risk level? We're almost to all-time lows at the moment. However, we still have an $87 million market cap, which means it can drop a shit ton lower. Okay? So if you're looking at a risk to reward ratio here, Dogelon Mars it's about a 50-50. You can hold and bet that when Bitcoin comes back around and pumps even higher, that Dogelon Mars will pump with it, gain some media traction, and hype it up and run off to the races, breaking all-time highs. This is still a meme coin. Okay? I still do believe that this can be the third biggest meme coin on the market. However, it's going to take a lot of work from the team, and it's going to take a little bit of luck. However, if you don't want to rely on luck and other people, you don't have to trade just crypto, okay? These should be low ball, you don't care if you lose it, investments that you are holding for a long, long time until you see a return, okay? Then you do your research and try to figure out an exit point. But if you are truly trying to make a difference in your life, trying to make an income in your life every single week, every single month, and live off of trading, I highly recommend getting the course. First link in the description. Dogelon Mars. Yeah, so the rating right now is buy and hold. I hope everyone has been having a great time, having an amazing time since the last video about 100 days ago or more. And I hope you guys are all happy, healthy. I hope you're all getting rich. Rich as heck. Because life is a lot better when you have money. I gotta change my bio to that. Crypto Billionaire 69. Out. Get the course.